have more storage now, and here's my crossbow now, and I have the bushings right now, so I'm going to put those on the other side like I said I would. Put another, so that's what you do, and I think you need we need 3 bushings, and then you do another 7-holer on that side like I told you, with pegs in it. Okay. Here's the ammo for the thing. And then these things, 4 that were supposed to go on there, you put a black thing in the middle, and then you put these things on. I'm sorry. Last time I kind of messed it up. And now, put them on. Now I have some storage, so don't need to worry. There we go. Put them on. Finally put them on. So you need 4 more of these, and you need another 3-holer. So there was that hole right here. There's that hole. You know that hole that I said to leave a gap for? To leave a gap. That gap, you put the 3-holer in, and you take 2 of these things, and you put them on that peg, a part of that peg. And then you take one of these, you put it in the top. Put it in the top part. And then you take one of these. See it? Notice it has that axle part for it. You oh dang it! I forgot it. Scratch that. Take this thing out and put it in the axle part. And then you take an axle, a red one, you put it in the top part of that thing. See? And you take this and put it in the hole of the 7-holer right next to it, so that connects it to keep it stable. Oh, well, I'm sorry. That wasn't it. Take a black peg and put that in that holer. Then you attach it. And then you do it on the other side too. And it's kind of easy.